Hello friends, today I tell about new trends in food. In this topic, we understand, identify a trend in food selection, understand the benefits of the present day techniques of food processing, and various products made from soybeans and their benefits. Understand the aggregated claims made with respect to certain foods and latest packaging techniques available in the food industry. I will cover this topic in four or five sessions. Now let's start. What is the trend in foods and in new trends, especially? Though our eating habits have changed dramatically in the last decade. Food is no longer just a source of energy but a sensory, cultural, and social phenomenon. With the number of working couples on the rise, the trends to prepare elaborate menus at home is fast fading away. We look for food which is enjoyable, healthy, tasty, convenient to purchase, and quick to prepare. It should be available all year round in the nearest supermarket and reasonably priced. Technologically, development in the food processing industry and recent research has made it possible to choose from an enormous variety of high quality food products to suit every budget and group or community. Our lifestyle and eating habits have undergone a radical change, creating an imbalance between calorie intake and physically active. Medical science is emphasizing the increased risk for chronic illness and debilitating disease, particularly cardiovascular disease, obesity, osteoporosis, diabetes, and cancer striking at an earlier age. In this backdrop, the common man has realized the importance of certain food ingredients in influencing our body functions. And we hear people discussing things such as cholesterol, whey protein, omega 3 fatty acid, and fiber. These discoveries are having an impact on our eating habits and the trend in towards health foods and natural foods. Market analysis of consumer demand and behavior forecasts that in the next few years, special health enhancing food will be from a part of every product group. For example, cooking oil with natural antioxidants such as vitamin A, keratin, and vitamin E, which impart a natural golden yellow color to fried food and is devoid of trans fats, being 100% natural and 100% vegan. Priced at a much higher rate than cooking oil, it will be used by affluent societies because it is naturally healthy, environment friendly, and packaged in an attractive bottle. Plants with a fat composition beneficial for health are being bred for example, rapeseed oils with a low erucic acid content. The fatty acid composition of oil can be selectively modified with health enhancing effect. The health conscious consumer today demand lighter dishes, less fat, sugar and salt. Food additives, especially added colors and flavor, are viewed suspiciously and natural food are chosen. There is also an increasing trend toward vegetarianism. And what is food? Food can be defined as any substance which nourished the body and is fit to eat. It may be solid or liquid. Food provides the body with material. Let's talk. We talk about soya foods. What is the soya foods? What is the benefits of soya food and soya product? So, soya bean, the golden beans, is used to prepare soya milk, soya paneer or tofu, herbal tofu, shrikhand, amrakhand, patties, kebabs, cheese, spread, and textured vegetable protein. Refer protein and with extrusion technique, good quality meat analogs can be produced from textured vegetable protein. Soya milk is the basis for manufacturing the wide range of dairy product mentioned previously. Soya milk is extracted from soya beans by processing is an equipment called soya cow. What is the benefit of soya products? Soya milk is high in complete protein, good sources of dietary fiber, rich in healthy and unsaturated fatty acid like omega 3 and omega 6. Excellent sources of various vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, etc. may contribute to lower total and LDL cholesterol level. They raise SDL cholesterol and reduce LDL cholesterol level. Potentially reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Some studies suggest a possible link to a lower risk of certain cancer. They provide protection against growth of cancer cell. Okay, may help maintain bone density, may elevate some menopausal symptoms, could aid in blood sugar control, and may support weight management due to protein and lower calorie content. Lactose free alternative to dairy milk and versatile food with many different form like tofu, soya milk and tan. Soya milk is cholesterol free. Soya milk has twice the protein of cow's milk and half fat content and lactose free. And it facilitates absorption of calcium and prevent osteoporosis. Soya milk can replace whole milk in preparations such as curd, raita, lassi, or curry. The meal left after extraction of soya milk can be used to in cutlet kofta. Soybean should always be processed prior to use to destroy the trypsin inhibitor present in the raw bean. The bean may be boiled whole in their green pod or sprouted and used in dishes. Soybean are classified as oil seeds as they contain approximately 20% oil. Lecithin, a phospholipid and an emulsifying agent, is extracted from soybean and used as a thickening agent in yogurt and as an emulsifier in mayonnaise. It has many applications in the food industry. So, I talked about soya food and soya product. If you like my video, please like, share, and comments. And next, I meet you with my next video. Thank you so much.